Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over an article pre-market of the stock market, talk about what might be incoming today, and we'll take a look at the charts on some of the major indexes and give you an update on our Palantir put option. And we'll take a look again at some of the stocks that we cover, such as Tesla, Amazon, ZNOG, IQST, and things of that nature. So this is from CNBC. It says stock futures fall after Fitch downgrades the U.S. rating. Earnings season continues and live updates. The U.S. stock futures fell Wednesday after Fitch downgrades the U.S. long-term rating, and traders continue to assess the latest batch of second quarter earning results. The Dow Jones Industrial Average futures slid by 247 points or 0.7%. S&P and NASDAQ 100 dipped 0.9% and 1.1% respectively. Fitch's ratings lowered the U.S. long-term foreign currency issuer default rating to AA+ from AAA on Tuesday night, citing expected fiscal deterioration over the next 3 years. Advanced micro devices rose 1% in extended trading after reporting better than expected quarterly results. Meanwhile, Solar Edge Technologies tumbled 12% after missing second quarter revenue expectations. Those moves came after lackluster first day of trading in August in the S&P 500. On Tuesday, the broad market index fell 0.27%, while the NASDAQ composite declined 0.43%. Meanwhile, the Dow Industrial Average added 71.15 points or 0.2%. At one point during the session, the Dow reached the highest level since February of 2022. Earnings season is more than halfway over, with results coming in stronger than expected. Of the S&P 500 companies that have reported, about 82% have posted positive surprises, according to FactSet data. The earnings beats have added the bullish investor sentiment, with stocks continuing this year's recovery since the third quarter began. I think in the past 5 or 6 weeks, the lack of the 23 bear case isn't the only explanation. I think now it's more of a plausible 2024, 2025 bull case. And let's see, so there's an emergency number of possibilities that seem to make people think, all right, maybe 2024 earnings could represent the beginning of a new multi-year trend, and so that, I think, is gaining steam among investors, Parker added. CVS Health, Yum Brands, and Humana are set to report earnings before open on Wednesday, which, if you look at the top here, CVS beats on earnings and revenue as companies slash costs. So when they say slash costs, they just laid off a ton of people throughout the entire company. So yeah, that's wild. Traders are also anticipating the July ADP jobs report Wednesday before the open. Economists polled by Dow Jones expect 175,000 increase, which would be lower than the 497,000 in the prior month. Okay, so this here, the downgrade has caused the market to slip. As you can see here, as of 5:54 a.m. Central Standard Time, the Dow is down actually now 118, or it's starting to kind of climb a little bit based off of, compared to the article, what they're saying here, the S&P down, NASDAQ down. So we may see a little bit of climb, but seems to imply that we're going to have a red day today. So currently the Fear and Greed Index, we are in greed, which is, pretty common. You get to greed or extreme greed. That's whenever the pullbacks come and the markets kind of balance themselves out. So let's take a look at the S&P 500, and then we'll take a look at some of the stocks that we cover on the channel. All right, guys, taking a look at the S&P 500, just redrew the fib level, and it looks as though, we hit 4607, and as soon as we hit that, we kind of went sideways for a little bit, and now we're just trying to figure out where to go from here. We were right above fair value, so 4607 is basically your first level of resistance. Your support is going to be 4408. So if we see a pretty sizable pullback, it can go all the way down to here, and as long as it bounces off of there, it's still pretty healthy. So the encouraging thing to me is that we've actually been in a bearish pattern for about a week and a half, and basically all we've done is trade sideways. So even if we do fall down today and tomorrow and whatever, eventually that'll kind of, in my opinion, kind of subside, and we can continue to do what we have been doing. I don't know if it'll be as aggressive or we'll just kind of continue to go sideways, but that's currently what we're looking at there. So be interesting to see how the market reacts today. So let's take a look at Palantir, because we, on the channel yesterday, we talked about how we were doing a put option on Palantir because it had such a large run up as of late. Currently, we are just crossing over from bullish to bearish on that MACD RSI indicator, just under overvalued. And interestingly enough, here, as we see, we just got a buy signal on Palantir on the 4-hour here at about 6 o'clock in the morning. So that'll be interesting to see what happens here. I see it kind of just went away. If the market has a bad day today, then obviously I think this will follow as well. If we break below basically where we are here on Palantir, which we are currently at about 1926, if we break below 1911, 1910, then your next level to watch, in my opinion, is about 1850-ish, and that might be where I look to take profits on the put option if it gets to that level, sooner rather than later. The expiration on the put option is on Friday with the $18 strike price, and so if it's a really bad day today, then that could possibly get me close to where I need for that. So here's Tesla. Tesla is now looking like right at the support level of 252, pretty close to undervalued at this point. Even if we dip below 252, I think we pop our head above there, maybe trade sideways. Really hard not to come in and buy right here. This is where I came back in and bought sometime last week, I believe it was, on Thursday or Friday, and then we're right back where it is. So have to consider whether I want to come in and buy some more here or just kind of let it do its thing. Amazon, of course, is dipping just like everything else, and we're currently at a level here at about 129. If we break below there, I think we do have some more room to come down and possibly test that 123 level. If we hit down here, I'm going to come back in and buy some more here at this level of 123 to add to my position. So interestingly enough, guys, people have been talking about how we're due for some type of pullback, or talking about the market crashing or whatnot. I won't necessarily say a crash, but this is pretty common of the market doesn't go up every single day of the year, it didn't go up forever, so eventually you're going to have something to kind of make it correct itself, and this is actually healthy, believe it or not. And so we just have to kind of see exactly how red the market goes today. As far as IQSTL, ticker symbol IQST, we are pretty close to overvalued. However, we did cross over from bearish to bullish on the MACD indicator. I'm not sure how much will go up due to the market conditions. Obviously, if the market's real red, then this may kind of follow suit. But 37 is going to be your tip top again, and this one here also, guys, to consider, it's run up from 8 cents all the way to 33.5, 34 cents. That's a huge run up, so you can expect some type of cool off, especially if we go hit the top of 37. So if you guys got in here, or even got in here, or even got in here, this level, even it gets a little bit higher to 35, 36, even 37. And if you're profitable, I wouldn't be afraid to go and take some profit off the top, or take something out, because it should, in my opinion, kind of cool off. I hope it doesn't. I hope it keeps going, and the run continues. But technically speaking, it's due for some type of cool off. We'll have to kind of wait and see, and see kind of what happens from there. But anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we will catch you in the next one.